In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert currency in Excel. The goal is to set up an easy conversion table that uses live market exchange rates and automatically converts amounts for you. As you follow along, keep an eye on the cells you are selecting, because each one has a specific role in the process. First, type your currency ticker codes into cells A2 and A3. These are the standard three-letter currency codes, such as USD for United States dollar, UR for euro, or GBP for British pound. In cell A2, enter the currency you want to start with, and in cell A3, enter the target currency you want to convert to. This pair in column A is what Excel will reference later when it pulls the live exchange rate. Next, highlight the currency pair cells in the range A2 to A3. You should see both codes selected together. This step matters because Excel uses your selected data to recognize what kind of information you want to work with, so it knows it is dealing with currencies. Now click the Data tab on the top ribbon menu. The Data tab contains tools for importing information, transforming data, and enriching it with additional types like currency exchange rates. When you click it, you will see a group of options related to data types. Inside the Data tab, click the Currencies Data Type button inside the Data Types group. This tells Excel to treat the currency codes as real currency entities rather than plain text. Once you apply this, Excel can connect your codes to live market rates. After that, you need to choose where the live exchange rate will appear. Click cell B2 to select your live market exchange rate destination cell. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting B2 specifically because the next formula will go directly into that cell and will be linked to the currency code in A2. Then type the extraction formula =A2. Price directly into cell B2 to pull live rates. This formula instructs Excel to use the currency object in A2 and retrieve its price value, which represents the live exchange rate for the currency pair context you set up. Press the Enter key, then click cell B3 and type =A3, price for row 3. Entering the second formula ensures that both currency rows have their corresponding live rates pulled into the table. This keeps everything consistent, especially if you are comparing multiple values across rows. Now that the exchange rates are in place, it is time to enter the amounts you want to convert. Type your raw money amounts into column C, specifically cells C2 to C3. These are the original values in your starting currency that you want to translate using the exchange rate values you pulled into column B. With your amounts entered, you can generate the converted results. Click cell D2, type $C2 *B2 and press Enter to view your converted value. This formula multiplies the raw amount in C2 by the live exchange rate in B2, which produces the converted amount in D2. Finally, make sure everything looks correct for your conversion logic and formatting. If D2 shows a result, you have successfully created a live currency conversion calculation. When you are ready, you can repeat the same pattern for additional rows, but for the setup you built, you now have conversion outputs ready based on live exchange rates. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.